Hi everyone, how are you? Today my recipe Lobia with Idiyappam. This is very good breakfast or you can take as a lunch also. Take 300 grams of Lobia, cut the edges, then wash it properly, then cut nicely. Cut like this. Then transfer to cooker. I soaked black chana 6 hours. Now add this black chana to cooker. Along with lobia, we can boil both of them. Then add 2 cups of water and 1.5 teaspoon of salt and 2 bay leaves. This much is enough. Then close and cook for 4 whistles. Now take a kadai, then add 3 cups of water. Any cup you can take, and half teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of oil or ghee. Then boil water and take 1.5 cups of same cup I am using here rice flour, rice atta or chavalgi atta, anyone. Add gradually rice flour, it will form lumps. Stir continuously. Then add half, already I added 1 full cup and half cup I added here. Then stir and boil 3 to 4 minutes. Stir continuously. Rice flour will boil. After 3 to 4 minutes, we can switch off the stove. Then cool down this dough. Now take a mixie jar and add 3 to 4 big onions and 5 to 6 tomatoes. And I chopped 2 onions nicely. Keep it aside. We will use later. And take a half shell of fresh coconut and 1 full tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and 5 to 6 red chili and 1 tablespoon coriander, 1 teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon fennel seeds and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, 4 to 5 cloves and 1 1/2 inch cinnamon, 1 green cardamom, crush and add it. Then 2 Marathi mug and 2 green cardamom and 1 stem curry leaves if you have. This is optional. Then grind it once and add 3/4 cup of water. Then grind fine paste. This is very healthy recipe. We combined 1 vegetable and 1 seed. Then I added, instead of cashew, I added coconut. This is a fine paste. Keep aside. Our cooker also came. Soften the veggie and black chana. Remove the bay leaf. I added 2 bay leaves. I removed it. Then take another kadai. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee and 1 tablespoon of oil. Add chopped onions. Then fry until transparent. Once it's turned to transparent color, then add ground masala. Do not add any water and stir it. Then turn to stove to sim and close and cook 3 to 4 minutes on simmer. Now our dough is cooled down. Now knead the dough 2 to 3 minutes. It will become very soft. It will not stick away because I added 1 tablespoon of ghee or oil. That's why it will not sticky. It will not stick. Now remove the lid and mix once the curry. Now add boiled veggie and black chana. Add 1 cup of water. Add 1 teaspoon of salt or required salt. Then mix well. Then close and cook it. Now grease the idli plates or any steamer plate. I am using here save holes, small holes plate. Then fill with the dough tightly. Then roll the idiappam. It will cook within 5 to 10 minutes. It will not take more time. Already I arranged the steamer. Then cook for 10 minutes only. It is enough. Now check the curry. Oil separates. But watery is there. Curry is watery. We need to cook another 2 to 3 minutes. It will turn to thick. When it turn to thickness, then add 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Add 2 teaspoon of kasuri methi. Heat and crush it. Then add it to curry. Kasuri methi will give the good fragrance to our curry and good taste to our curry. This much thickness is enough. Now add 2 to 3 tablespoons of fresh cream or homemade cream. Stir well. Then finally add fresh coriander. Now check the idiyappam. Idiyappam also ready. You can observe the color of the idiyappam. It will come easily. You can serve this recipe as a breakfast or lunch or any holidays or Sundays. Serve with masala and onion, tomato, a little bit salad. Add finally garnish with coriander. Now taste it. Check this very soft idiyappam. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for another tasty videos. It will melt in the mouth. Thank you for watching.